Hello friends, welcome again. I'm Srinath from Talk Easy, and in today's lesson, let's learn when to use the expression butterflies in my stomach. And if you're watching this lesson without having subscribed to my channel, consider subscribing. When someone says, I have butterflies in my stomach, they actually mean they are either nervous or excited for some reason. He had butterflies in his stomach during the interview. He had butterflies in his stomach during the interview. This actually means he was really nervous during the interview. Everybody had butterflies in their stomachs until India won the match. Everybody had butterflies in their stomachs until India won the match. Let's say India is playing against Australia in the final and 6 runs are needed from just one ball. How would you feel in that moment? That is what you call butterflies in the stomach. The students had butterflies in their stomachs when they were waiting for the exam results. The students had butterflies in their stomachs when they were waiting for the exam results. I'm sure every one of you would have experienced this feeling at least once in your lifetime, and this feeling is called having butterflies in your stomach. I have butterflies in my stomach when I want to propose to the girl I love the most. I have butterflies in my stomach when I want to propose to the girl I love the most. I'm sure most of you can relate to what I'm trying to tell you. It's really easy to talk to any girl about anything, but when it comes to proposing to the girl you love the most, definitely you will feel nervous. Every man definitely feels nervous in this moment. So this is called having butterflies in your stomach. Again, this situation is really very common. When your teacher asks you to come to the stage and present about a particular topic, you definitely feel nervous at that moment, and that is called having butterflies in your stomach. When I was a little boy, I had butterflies in my stomach the day before Diwali. When I was a little boy, I had butterflies in my stomach the day before Diwali. Here, I mean to say that I was really excited the day before Diwali. You should have had this experience at least once in your lifetime. If you are a Hindu, you should have definitely had butterflies in your stomach the day before Diwali. If you are a Christian, you should have had butterflies in your stomach the day before Christmas. And if you are a Muslim, you should have had butterflies in your stomach the day before Ramzan. Am I right that way? Maybe we don't feel the same as we grow up, but when we were young, definitely we would have had this experience. By the way, I just want to tell you that I'll be launching business communication and an email drafting course exclusively on my application for all the working professionals. That is, if you're a corporate employee, definitely this will be of help to you. So if you haven't downloaded my application, I'll give you the link in the description. Do download my application and wait for the course to be launched. Thank you so much for watching all the way through. I'll see you soon.